Hey guys, my name is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and today I had the privilege of speaking with Mary, who thought you guys would be really interested in this video I'm about to show you. We're just going to go over a few key things about your website and how you can get more traffic and leads organically instead of having to pay for those expensive lead sites. So here we are on your website. And you have a good looking website. You have a little bit of content, some reviews. It's pretty basic. So, the rule of thumb is Google likes to see a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage or 150 words for every buyer intent keyword that you're trying to target. Um, those are keywords that are location based, and they're keywords that your customers are actually searching for your services. They may not know the name of your company, but they know the services that they need, and that's specifically what they're looking for. Um, and because of the industry you guys are in, you are in an advantage over other service industries because emergencies happen over all the time. They're not a luxury. And so it's really important that you have a home page and back pages with the right amount of content and keywords so that Google can put you in front of those customers. So you need to make sure that you have a different page for every service you provide, as well as a separate page for every location that you service that has some search volume going to it. So it's going to be really, really key that you guys work on your content and keyword strategy. Let's take a look at your top competitor in Baltimore, Jenkins Restorations. They have an okay looking website as well. But again, they don't nearly have enough content. So as far as the content goes, they should be super easy to beat. You're going to need to have a lot more content than them, but working on your content and keyword strategy, um, you should be able to beat these guys, at least content wise. If we go in here, this is a program we use called Ahrefs, and it helps us to analyze how a website is performing. So when we go to your website here, your domain rating is a 26. You have over 13,000 backlinks going to it. You do have 1.5 thousand keywords that are being picked up. If we take a look at the keywords, you have quite a few that are on the first page, but most of them are your brand name or irrelevant keywords that might get people to your page, but they're not buying keywords. So these are not the keywords to convert. When we look at your competitor, Jenkins, however, they have a 43. They've got over 5,000 backlinks, and they're being ranked for over 11,000 keywords. Wow, that's a lot. Because of all their different services and service areas. And they have a service area page for all of them. And then they're seeing almost 12,000 people to their website per month. So that's huge traffic. In order to beat these guys, your entire website's going to have a lot more content. You're going to have to go after those keywords. You're going to have to build the pages for your service pages, and you're going to need a lot more backlinks and better quality backlinks than these guys. And what a backlink is for one, they're not all created equal. And two, a backlink is when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website, Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. But the more relevant it is to your industry, um, the more it's going to boost you up in Google. And it's really important that they are do follows and not no follow links. Because do follows will share the power of those high authority websites with you and help you to rank even faster. And each of these backlinks are tied to your keywords, and they need to be going to each of your service pages and location pages, as well as your home page, so that you can be found in every service area for your services. And the last thing I wanted to show you real quick is when somebody puts a search in Google, one of the first things that pops up are going to be your ads. And the next spot is the Google Maps or Google My Business. And your goal should be to be in the top 3. This is a highly competitive area. And that's because 30% of people will come here and they won't go any further. They're just going to call or jump on your website. And so if you're not in the top 3 for your service areas and your keywords, you're handing those leads to your competition and leaving that money on the table. So in order to be in the top 3, there's several factors, but the biggest one is something called citations, which is the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. And you need a lot more of those than your top competitor here. So now if you follow these tips I've given you today, you can become number 1 across Google, not just for your homepage, but for your back pages as well, and for all your keywords. You could actually have the entire first page in Google by following these strategies. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can take this information I've given you and apply it yourself, which is completely okay because it's free education. I just ask that you please give me some feedback to this video and let me know what you thought. However, should you decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done, go ahead and respond to my email or give me a call at this number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.